Namaste friends. Today we will discuss about the metals and shapes that are associated with the five elements. The five elements in Vastu are water, air, fire, earth and space. In my previous video we had already discussed about the primary colors that are associated with each of these elements. Water is associated with blue, air goes with green, fire goes with red, earth goes with yellow, and space goes with white. Similar to this, we have different metals and different shapes that are associated with each of these elements. We had discussed about the three different cycles that are associated with elements, that is the cycle of creation, cycle of control or balance, and the cycle of destruction. If any of these elements are imbalanced, it creates an issue related to that particular domain of our life. Say for instance, the water element is imbalanced in a house. People in that particular house may have issues concerning opportunities. Opportunities meaning either job opportunities or business opportunities. In short, there could be limited growth opportunities for the inhabitants. So what could be the reason for the imbalance? If you remember in the previous video, we had discussed about earth element and fire element being able to destroy the water element, which means to say that either there is something related to the earth element or the fire element which is present in this particular direction or zones. So it could be the elemental color, which means probably you have yellow or red in the water zone, or it could be with the metal or shapes that are associated with these two elements. We already know the colors that are associated with each of these elements. Now, if you look at this particular table, you have a metal and a shape that is associated with each of the elements here. Continuing our previous example where we said that the water zone could be imbalanced. So there is a possibility that either of these metals, which is copper and brass, or one of these shapes could be present in the water zone, which is creating an imbalance. We will discuss about the possible remedies in a separate video. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.